Poor Fat Man here with another video. But figure I'd come outside and it starts hailing. Anyway, in this gun I have a 22 long rifle cylinder loaded with 36 grain Federal bulk ammunition. I got a toilet out there, which we're going to try to see if we can tell the difference between 22 long rifle and 22 Magnum. I must have fired it on the dead cylinder. Let's try it again. Whoops. My fault. I got the safety off now. It'd help I learned to turn the safety off. Let's go see if we can see the damages. As we walk up on the toilet here, you think, hell, it didn't do nothing. Did we miss it altogether? Did the shot go high? Well, let's try it again. This time I'll make a more careful aim. Now I'm inside FBI range. I can't watch that and aim at the same time. Fire it again. Let's see if we can find any damages. Look around. Check it out. That's where I was aiming. Once again, the bullet must have bounced off, I figure. I don't even see a chip in it. One more time just to make sure. And once again, we can actually see a crack this time. Do you see it? Not much damage at all. Now, let's check it up the next round. We're gonna swap this thing out for a 22 mag. And the 22 Magnum are these here really good hunting rounds. But since they're rimfire, you're not allowed to use them for deer. But they're 40 grain soft points. Hopefully that makes focus for you. The good thing about soft points over hollow points is they're more barrier blind, so they should expand in more situations where hollow points would get clogged.